Hello everyone, my name is Jaakko Junttila and I'm from Finnish Parkour Academy, where I work as a gym manager, instructor and as a designer. Uh, I have done design work over 10 years. I've been designing parkour equipment, parkour gyms and outdoor parkour parks. And I've done a lot of cooperation with Lapset Group and in this new parkour product range, Lapset Dash Parkour, I worked as a concept designer. To be able to design a parkour park that is highly functional and works with different age and skill levels, you have to have strong experience of teaching parkour to all skill and age levels. Also, you have to have deep understanding of the sport itself. Okay, what I'm going to talk you today is how to design a uh, parkour park layout by using Lapset Dash modules. In the product range, there's individual pieces of equipment, and then there's ready designed parkour layouts called spots. And this module is something that goes between those two. And by using this module, the designers can create their own unique parkour spots without having any understanding of the parkour safety standard. A module is affordable, small piece of layout, and by using it, you can design irregular shaped parkour areas and maybe even build a parkour park in different parts. Maybe some of it this year and then add another module next year. You can find these modules from Lapset website simply by searching for parkour products. And the modules are these funny shaped triangular parkour spots. And here's one which focuses on balancing and foot placement. All of these modules focus on one or two functionalities, and by combining those modules you can widen the range of functionality of the whole parkour spots. Here you can see that there's different color zones. There's thin dark gray line, and then a little lighter zone, and then the lightest one. And the lightest one is like represents the outer boundaries of the whole parkour park. And this line and this inner zone, they are the way they shows how you can combine these modules. If there's this thin line, then you bring the thin lines together when you combine them, and then when there's only this darker zone, then you, like in this bigger higher module, then there's then you bring the dark areas next to each other. But let's see how it goes in the designing program. I have downloaded these DWG files from here, where you can find them, and then you can bring them to your designing program. I chose three nice modules that I want to use in my parkour layout, and here you can see them. And here I have brought them to the same file, and I have already rotated them a bit to have an orientation that I like. And then there's lots of information that we don't need at this phase, and I'm gonna turn off almost all of the levels. I only leave the products, and then now you have to turn on the boundaries layer, because in there you can see the lines that helps you to or show you how you can combine these. This yellow line is the same one that in the visualization is the gray dark thin line, and with these smaller modules, you can put them together so that you bring these yellow lines next to each other. And if there's not this yellow line, then you bring the red lines together. And now I'm gonna move these two together, and actually it doesn't matter how they are like placed sideways. So you can slide them next to each other as long as the red lines don't cross each other. Because if you cross them, then the requirements of the safety standard don't apply anymore. So it's important to put them together. By putting them together you also like make sure that the functionalities that the professionals, including me, we have thought this too, that the parkour functionalities are as good as possible. And then I'm gonna now want to place it here, and then I'm gonna move the other one, and with the bigger one I put the red lines together, and with the smaller ones the yellow lines goes together, and like that. And now I'm gonna turn off the boundaries layer, and now here's nice really functional parkour park with unique design. Okay, I'm gonna show you one example more, and here's one example how you can use these modules, for example, by if you want to leave some natural rocks or trees or any other structures, like in the middle of the parkour park, you can use these modules, and by using modules and ready designed spots, you like make sure and multiply the functionality in parkour wise, because other people don't have those parkour goggles on. They don't see the possibilities, the ways how to combine the movement, and that's really important when you design a parkour park. And these things are already taken care of in these ready designed modules and spots. Okay, that's all. Have fun designing your own parkour park. See you later. Bye.